Hi everyone. I just wanted to say great job on the worksheet that you did yesterday for Spanish vocabulary practice. Really funny, I didn't realize when I made the worksheet that the first activity wasn't going to scramble itself. So you probably thought, wow, Emily really gave us an easy one on this when the answer was straight across from the question on each one. So I did notice that. My bad. It's not that much practice for you, but there were other questions, I guess. Also, it looked like the only things I saw wrong were missing accents and forgetting to put the article. So when you were filling in on the image what each item was called, it counted it wrong if you forgot the accent, which is good because it's really important to remember the accent. A lot of words have two different words, one with an accent and one without, and they're spelled the same in every other sense. So, but they have different meanings. So it's really important to remember the accents. If you're not sure how to do that quickly on your keyboard, you can always type into Google like A with an accent and copy and paste what comes up. And then the article is the el, la, los, las. When you're studying and working with vocabulary, it's important to always include the article. Otherwise, you'll never know whether it's masculine or feminine. That's the only way to practice, is to always attach that so that it starts to sound familiar with it, so that it always sounds, you've always seen la lámpara and you've never seen el lámpara because you're always putting la with it. So if you didn't put the article, it counted it as wrong even though you might have gotten the word right. So for future reference, you can always assume that you need to put the article with that. Plus, in the Spanish language, we more often than not are going to include the article in regular speech anyway, even if in English we normally wouldn't do that. So that's all I had to say about that. And if you haven't done the assignments yet, make sure that you have them done by the end of the week. That's when I'm going to upload the grades that basically for everyone that completed all the activities. Unless it's an actual quiz or a test, it's going to just be a completion grade as long as you followed the instructions and did what I asked. So if you haven't done those yet, please send me a message once you do so I know to go back and look. All right, that's everything. Have a good day.